Welcome back, students. Now we will discuss about the accounting system. As we will learn about the accounting information, accounting definition, accounting that's related to the decision making. But right now we are basically going to discuss the how the accounting system is developed, what procedures, what things are come, which kind of technology is involved. Normally that is used to record the business transaction. From the help of these things, how we can build a accounting system. Fine. Normally thinking accounting system that consists of personnel, I mean to say they have a number of people are doing work, they are salesperson, they are account person, normal, the people they are doing work. And the procedures, they obviously they are adopting some procedures, some mathematically terms that they will use. They use some technology help like their mobile, their laptop, their softwares, and all these things providing to help to record the business that's used by an organization to develop the accounting information. Fine. Accounting information will be produced, will be developed with the help of personnel, different procedure they are adopt, and some technological tool, and all these things provide to help record the business transaction, and a business will be able to produce the accounting information. And when accounting information will be produced, then easily communicating these information to the decision maker. Okay, it is the first thing, how the accounting system going to be produced. And a further slide, we are just think about the accounting system and its importance. What's the importance of a accounting system? Look here in this slide, you can find different way to learn about the information system. Like in the first way, you are basically look there. We have some users, information user like investor. Just before to read this, just think which kind of people they need to an accounting information, which kind of people they need to get the accounting information. Who are the person? What the people? What how many people are interested about the accounting information? Yes, you can get idea. Yes, obviously. First thing is that investor, the person who invests their money in a business, they are need accounting information, what the business is going right now. Fine. Second, creditors. The word creditor may be you familiar. That's basically a person who providing some form of money, some form of goods in credit form. इसको आप कहते हैं ना उधार. तो क्या आपको एक लोन फॉर्म या एक क्रेडिट फॉर्म में कुछ प्रोवाइड करे. Third thing is the manager. Managers, that's a worker, the employees of organization, that's monitoring overall business. They need to be know about the accounting information and financial information of a company. Similarly, owners and the customers, employees, some regulators bodies like SEC, Security Exchange Commission, IRS, Inter Revenue Board and Services, FTC in Pakistan, FBR. Okay, that's basically some institute. They are must be investigate and must be see the financial report, what the business is doing, and how the profit, because they are basically going to apply some taxes. Okay, these are some institutions that take interest in what see the accounting information. Instead of these institution, employers, owners, managers, creditors, and investor, they are also willing to see the accounting information. Okay, fine. These are the information users who are interested to watch the accounting information. Now for the financial information provided. Okay, what the accounting information accounting information is provided to the account information users. There are three type of information. We already discussed it, but here in a separate form, I will discuss it. Financial information mean to say first is a profitability. Which statement will you provide the information of a profitability? You have idea? Anyone? Maybe the point it come in your mind. Profitability, that is a profit margin, profit ratio, how much a business earn. It is a basically if you have maybe know the name, have idea about the name, income statement, statement of earning. It is a statement that we make to calculate the profit of a business. So first major information that in financial information of a company, it is providing about the business profit ratio, profit margin, profitability of a business. Second important thing is the financial position of a business. Financial position, if you want to see the financial position of a business, then you need to make the balance sheet. Okay. Balance sheet are statement that providing the financial position of a company in a specific time period. Third thing is a cash flow statement. Cash flow statement just providing the information. It relate to the how much cash is inflow and how much cash is outflow in our business. Fine. It just providing the information related to cash inflow and cash outflow at the end of, like, about the import and export, and what is the better for the for a country. Always you listen from your social media, from your expert person. Export is a necessary for economy. Export is a better for the development of economy, because when you will be export, then money will become in your mind, dollar will become in your mind, in your country. Okay, but in a form of a, that same cash flow, how much cash is come in your business and how much cash is go outside of your business. At the end, we will be realize it. Our overall performance related to cash inflow, cash outflow. Is it a surplus balance or a deficit balance? Okay. These financial information normally provided the information related to profitability of a business, financial position of a business, and the cash flow of a business. Then, when these financial reports are ready and provided to the investor, managers, employers, then these bodies, these information user can take the good decision about the business. Then they can take decision that should be supported, like performance evaluation. They can easily find out the performance of a business, how the business is going on. Is it going in a profit form, in the loss? Okay, performance evaluation. And second thing is a stock investment. Stock investment, again, how much stock is available and how you want to new stock. Okay, tax strategy, what will be the tax strategy? You can take decision about the tax strategy. Labor relationship, resources allocation, lending decision, borrowing decision, and the company is unable to take the loan from the bank. Okay, that's some decision that all are related to the information, financial information. If you have a financial information, then decision maker can take decision related to borrowing, related to lending, related to labor relation, tax strategy, and overall performance of the performance evaluation. Okay. Now, determine the information need, like in Pakistan, we have know about the FBR, but in the Internal Revenue Services, all accounting information clearly essential to the business operation. Management still has many choices as to the type of the amount of accounting information that should be developed. That's some company act that are Sure, every business need to find the accounting information, their business operation, and inform these information to the government. Okay. Now, finally, come on basic functions of an accounting system. Again, the accounting system consists of three parts right now. First basic function from the first function is the interpret and record business transaction. It is a more important thing because your whole accounting will be built on these three steps. Again, it is a basically a repetition of the first two slides of this chapter. Already we discussed how we can get the information of a business. First primary thing is that you need to be interpret and record the business transaction. No every transaction will be recorded in a business. First thing is that we need to be understand, is it a business transaction and we need to be record it or not. Okay, it is a just dealing, it is a some agreement, it is a some verbal thing, or money will be involved. Then when money will be involved, then we can consider it is a business transaction. Okay, interpret and record the business transaction, and we will find the different methodology that you will be learn in your further course, how we will record the business transaction, what is the criteria from in which discipline and from in which procedure we will be able to record the business transaction. Okay, when you will learn the business transaction, the second step will be the like classify similar transaction to useful report. Now student, now listener, how you classify? Classification, that's a grouping. Okay, when you are doing the similar transaction, okay, your first thing is that you need to make a group of these transaction, and you will be calculate the all uh, these information in a single class, in a single group, and providing the total information of that group. Like, we have find the number of sale in daily basis. Okay, we have a number of slide customer in daily basis, but I just want to take a information how much sale is today. How we can get it? We just, if 100 people, 100 customer visit our store, visit our shop, overall our business, and every customer takes some purchasing. Um, some are purchasing of the goods of 5,000, some purchasing 2,000, but we just want 100 are visitor. But how is the sale? 100 transaction already, you know about that, that's related to a sale in a day. 100 transaction, but we just want how much is the total sale. Then all these transactions you will be classified in the sale ledger account, and this sale ledger account will be total, and you can get the result of a total sale of today. Okay, it is a just one account that I'm talking about the sale. Don't mean just a sale transaction is happening happening today. Maybe you find some expense, you have some rent expense you pay utility expense today. You take some refreshment, your guests are come and you do some take a lunch or a dinner with your friends. That has an expense. That's all about business transaction. But we are talking about the sale. Just then we make a ledger of a sale and get a total point. Okay. Now class, student thing, second important thing is the classify similar transaction into useful report. Then when we are producing these useful report, then summarize these and communicate these information to decision maker. Again, the concept is repeating when you be making the uh, useful report. I mean balance sheet, business, financial position, mean balance sheet and income statement and cash flow, and you will easily communicate to the decision maker. Then decision maker can get the good decision. Okay, It is a basic three function. First is the interpret the business transaction. You have to ready to interpret the business transaction. Secondly, you need to be classifying the producing step by step, and the end step is the finally useful report. Okay, that's the final step. And the third is the communicate to decision maker. Simply the component of internal control. Next topic is the internal control. How the company is basically controlling their business. It's a hierarchy of control environment, risk assessment, controlling activity, information and communication, and monitoring. The component of internal control simply a company, how the company will be controlled. Okay, that's a controlling environment. It should be a monitoring environment. That's the some platform where company can control their businesses, control their activity, how the risks will be occur, how the delay payment will be occur. Okay, some information, some communication, the people. That's all things related to the interlink and providing a good business and providing a good information related to business. Fine. It is some point that internal control component. Now further is a basically objective of external financial reporting. Now I am again repeating the financial statement. Now they you can see the name of and these statement, balance sheet, income statement, statement and statement of cash flow. I already discussed about these statement. Like in income statement, we are make the statement just we want to see our profit of a business, profitability of a business, show the income statement, financial position of a business show in balance sheet, and cash flow result. If you want to see the cash flow result, then you need to make the statement of cash flow. These are the normal objectives of external financial reporting. In the next, we will discuss about the internal and external user of these report. Okay, class. Now back come. It is a basically external user of accounting information. Reports are already we discussed. Again, as we discuss the accounting system, owners, creditor, potential investor are the people that are basically invest in a business for a temporary basis. Labor union, simple. They want to see the accounting information because they know about the company relationship. They want to make a good relation. If the company pay their labor on a time, then labor union watch the company progress. Are they pay easily or not? Government agencies, again, we are institution like IRS, we are discussing previous slides, FBR and Federal Board of Revenue. Fine. That's government agencies that want to see the accounting information. Similarly, suppliers, creditors, customers, trade association, and general public. These are the external users. They are easily find and they are interested to see the financial reports. And objective of external financial reporting, it's providing specific information about the economic resources. Yes, claim to resources and changes in resources and claim. Fine. And providing information is useful in assessing amount, timing, and uncertainty of the future cash flow. Third, provide general information useful in the making investment and credit decision. Fine. These are the external financial reporting objectives, and further already know about the external financial reporting. Okay, fine. Some we have find the some characteristics of reporting information. When you make the financial report, it should be a mean to an and mean to say that relate to a we are completing a some project, we are completing a time mean to end. It is not overall we are going to close our business, but we just close at a point. We are going to close our business on a specific date and time. We will start from a date, we do a different business activity, and the end of the date and a time, it is our progress. Okay, your report should be a mean to an end. And broader than the financial statement, you are making the simple statement, but it is the related to external reported. You know about the annual report. Maybe you listen about the annual report. Every corporate business is publishing their annual report. In this, I am talking about the annual report. It is a external reported information. Fine. It is not a internally. The every corporate business need to be published the external report. It is a basically through the company act they need to be obey this order of a government. Fine. So we are talking about these annual report. These annual report I mean to an end again at it is a broader than the financial statement, not a simple statement, and it is a historical nature. Yes, it is a history. If we see 2021, 2022 is going to be closed in a July, then July 2021 to 2022. Okay, it is a historical report that will you make. Okay, and result from the inexact and approximate measures, and the result are normally mostly result are inexact, but some results, some terms like depreciation term and other terms will be used. It is a something related to approximate. Okay. Based on a general purpose assumption, mean to say we are not making this report for a specific authority and a person. We are make a comprehensive report that can be easily viewable for the investor. They can use the creditor. It is a useful for the potential investor. It is useful for the government agencies. All are already we discussed about the external user of a. We are just making a one report it as a comprehensive report, but it all user maximum they are interested people they want to know about the accounting information of a business they can learn and can they read and get a help from the this report. Okay, usefulness enhance via explanation. Again the point is that like again I am already talking about that it is a broader than financial statement or how the broader we are basically providing the footnote. We are providing the explanation note of each account, how this account will be changed, how this account will be treated. Okay, that's a detailed note that providing a helpful to user to read and understand about the account. Okay, class. It is the characteristics of externally reported information, and further we will discuss about the career of accounting. But this video should be, I'm going to close this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.